Cvičenie na minulý čas nepravidelných slovies. Počúvaj a opakuj. Vypočuj si anglickú vetu s nepravidelným slovesom v minulom čase. Zopakuj vetu nahlas. Vypočuj si vetu ešte raz v angličtine a pomalšie. Nauč sa preklad vety do slovenčiny. Poďme na to.
John made a simple mistake during the test. John made a simple mistake during the test.
John urobil jednoduchú chybu počas testu.
Mary bought a new laptop last week. Mary bought a new laptop last week.
Mary si minulý týždeň kúpila nový notebook.
We saw a very interesting movie on Friday. We saw a very interesting movie on Friday.
V piatok sme videli veľmi zaujímavý film.
He took the bus because his car was broken. He took the bus because his car was broken.
Išiel autobusom, pretože jeho auto bolo pokazené.
George wrote an email to his manager. George wrote an email to his manager.
George napísal e-mail svojmu manažérovi.
We had dinner at a nice restaurant. We had dinner at a nice restaurant.
Večerali sme v príjemnej reštaurácii.
I found my keys under the table. I found my keys under the table.
Našla som svoje kľúče pod stolom.
We spoke to our teacher after the lesson. We spoke to our teacher after the lesson.
Po hodine sme sa rozprávali s naším učiteľom.
I forgot his birthday last year. I forgot his birthday last year.
Minulý rok som zabudol na jeho narodeniny.